You're welcome back. So right now we are going to insert the PHP file. The first thing you need to do is to write the open and close PHP file. So okay. Now I want you to follow me as I'm entering the stuff here. Now the first thing you need to do, as I've always told you, is to the database if it exists. If it exists, now select, that means display all. This asterisk sign means all. From where? The table inside our database. The database is lame, but the table here is what? User. Now this is now another variable which is going to do this. Now that means test for this. If it connects successfully, then fetch all these from database. Now let me now write the code here now, so that we while this, now let's bring this down a little bit. Now okay, now I'm going to display it some from database user ID. Good. Now row. Zero. Now that means I'm trying to name the tables, the element inside the tables. Name equals row. You can let's to save our time, let's copy this, let's paste 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we've done that. Now start changing this. Okay, name okay, row changes to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's change this name, username, user email. Okay, the next one here, it's a user password. Okay, now next thing we're gonna do here, after this we need to sorry, good. Now the table row again, that means good. Now you got to echo some things there. Now this now copy this 2 3 4 5 6, make it 6. Okay, now we're going to fill some things inside this, so we need to be okay. Now I'm going to the content to fill inside the table. That's what I'm trying to do right here. So that I need to close it since we are trying to open. So you can copy these again, paste, 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 and paste. Now once you do this, what you need to do right here is just to continue and echo. Just follow me as I'm doing it. Echo user ID here. Now a semicolon to terminate it. Semicolon. Echo what again? Okay. Echo this name. Semicolon. Okay. Echo user name space. Echo user email. Echo user password space. Now the next thing we need to do here, now I'm trying to add okay, let's go to the top here. I want to try to do something here. Okay, I want to add something here, just like let's say actions. Okay, now this is where I want to add the delete function to this. So let's just go on and add this. Now I want to open this, and I've closed that. Now that means I'm going to create a new file called delete.php. Okay, now this delete equals okay, there's php. Now you need to echo the user ID. Okay, now close your now this is we try to open this is a link that we are trying to like sorry, I need to remove this. Okay, now what I did right here is that I'm adding a button that is going to help us to delete. That means whenever a user, you want to like delete a user from our database, you click on this button, but it is not yet a button, this is just a link. Now okay, let's try to make it a button. Now from here, now let's continue button. Now you need you need to close your button. Good. Now we need to add a class to this button. The class is going to be btn danger. Okay, now the text on it will be delete. Okay, now once you do this, I think okay, I think we are good to go. Okay, but let's indent this. Okay, now the next thing is okay, now they opened another another curly bracket that we have here. We need to good. Now to make this valid, you need to open a PHP okay tag here and close it. Okay, now once you do this, now this tallies with what we have already. Now once you do this, okay, now the next thing we are going to do is to create delete the PHP file. But before we do that, let's try to go from the top again and check. Now we already have our connection file, but let's go and check and copy it again. Sorry, our connection file XAMPP htdocs, and let's say lane or connection, copy. Okay, let's okay, connection, okay, paste. Now okay, let's check this is correct, this and this. Okay, now the next thing here is